I think for a lot of people, they don't understand how big LinkedIn is. So LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform. To date, they have over 830 million users, okay? And it's a very influential social media network. The funny thing is a lot of people don't see it as social media. When they think of social media, they think of TikTok or Instagram or, Facebook. They don't think of LinkedIn, but LinkedIn is in fact a social media tool. And it's a global social media tool. What's interesting about it, though, is that it obviously is career-based or professionally based. So unlike those other tools where you share a lot more about your personal life, this tool tends to be a bit more focused on profession. Although, as we get into the later subjects, I'm going to talk about how LinkedIn is actively trying to make this more of a content creator site, which is pretty interesting and shifting us towards more of revealing, our whole selves on here. But for now, what you need to know, this is like, if you remember way back in the day, something called the Yellow Pages. The Yellow Pages was a big phone book. There was the White Pages that had everybody's individual name and address on it and phone number. And the Yellow Pages is where all the businesses put their information so people could find them and call them. Well, you're a business of one. So think about that. You're a service provider. So you want your business of one in the Yellow Pages where people can find you, where recruiters can find you.